Hi everybody, my name is Jack Dragnon, and I'm going to give you a presentation on the benefits of hunting. Hunting is something I've always done growing up. I've hunted with many people. I've hunted with my dad. I've hunted with family friends. I've hunted with very experienced friends of friends. Long list of people. Hunting has led to a passion for me that is something that is unexplainable, really. The passion of hunting has led to me picking the brains of many people, doing constant research, listening to various podcasts, doing many things just so I could learn more about hunting and learn more about what can make me a better hunter. Three things that really stuck out to me uh, doing this research was how hunting has affected the economy, how hunting is therapeutic to people who are hunters, and how hunting really helps control the animal population and affects the environment in a positive way. Um, hunting is a way to control the animal population by really hunters putting a cap on the population so it doesn't become overpopulated, and so the animals that you're hunting, such as deer or big mammals like that, don't really take over the ecosystem and just destroy it from the top down. Um, Lennon McGregor states hunters help wildlife agencies to manage white-tailed deer populations within ecological and cultural carrying capacities by harvesting deer. Thus, hunters, with the interest in variable deer populations, are integral to the conservation and management of white-tailed deer in North America. This states that hunters who hunt deer help stop the population from becoming too much to where the ecosystem can't handle it, and so the ecosystem can thrive and be very productive for the rest of the environment. Another thing that hunting does is it stops the spread of disease. So say an animal such as a deer is carrying a disease and you kill that animal, it can't spread it to any more of the animals in the population, and so you have a healthier population as it goes on. The next point I'd like to talk about is how hunting is very therapeutic for hunters. Hunting is a way where you can enjoy nature and you can be by yourself and you can just get away from everything that's stressful in life. Lennon McGregor also states, people who hunt speak of this activity as being therapeutic. When they're away, being in nature, and focusing on a target, they feel that they're more relaxed. Relaxation is a huge thing for the body, and it is something that is very positive for people that that really have stressful lives away from hunting. It also gives you this adrenaline when your target is out there and you're aimed up and shooting on it, and it gives this rush, and it's something that is very healthy for the body as well, and it flushes everything through. Hunting just brings a peace to people. It gives you this realistic view of life and how special everything is around you. One of the final points I like to talk about is how hunting can help the economy. Everybody says money talks, all this, but it really does. And hunting really does help this money talks persona. Um, LawrenceBay.com states that hunting licenses sell, which lead to the conservation efforts and paying more money to help the conservation of animals. Um, they also say that money spent on hunting boosts many markets, such as markets for pants, markets for guns, market for ammo, every hunting necessity there is. Hunting also uh, boosts many different businesses, anything from small local businesses such as restaurants and small towns that hunters are going to travel to hunt specific animals, to the large businesses and such monopoly type businesses such as like Academy or Gander Mountain or Bass Pro Shops or things like that that are specified for hunting purposes. Um, the travel, um, the food, that everything you need to go to that small town and really thrive in the hunting is also a way that businesses are thriving. Money is being passed around and people are enjoying their time while spending money and helping the economy around them. Um, Conclusion I like to talk about is hunting is a lot more than just killing an animal. Hunting not only benefits the hunter, but a lot more beyond that. The benefits to the economy, the environment, and to hunters is unimaginable. the thing I want people to take away from this is hunting is much more than shooting an animal, and it has many benefits beyond just the hunter. Hunting benefits the ecosystem, and that is one of the many ways that hunting is beneficial to people and the environment. Thank you for your time. And this is my works cited page for my Lyndon McGregor and my Lawrence Bay citations.